Hi friends, I am Dilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're just going to see how to switch your profile to private on your Pinterest account. I'm just going to show in this video a step-by-step guide. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly get into the video. How to switch your account to the private profile, just going to show in this video. For that, first step, click on your unsaved option, on the bottom section. Now you just click on the profile if you are just using a normal account, and click on the three dot option if you are just using a business Pinterest account. Click on the setting option. After clicking on the setting option, you have an option called profile visibility. Click on that. Now actually you want to switch your account or your Pinterest profile to a private. So this, if you just tap on this, now it shows switching your profile to private. To make sure that the switch to the first have to business account or a personal account. So here how, go to the management, select the convert account, return to the profile visibility and switch to private. So you just need to switch your profile to a personal account, then only you can switch to the private account. So go to the account management here. Now you just need to switch, click on the convert to the personal account. Click on the convert to personal. So now our account has been converted to the normal account. Now click on the three dot option, click on the setting option again. Now go to the option called profile visibility and I'll click on this. So you have been switched to the private account. This is how you just switch to the private account on your Pinterest account. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Maybe Unique. Have a wonderful day.